What's going on, guys? Today we're going to start tearing into this Tecumseh motor off the Sears tractor and see what I'm looking into as far as rebuild. I've already took the heads off, well, the head bolts off, so let's see what we got to deal with here. I haven't done anything with it except take the bolts off. Let's see what we're dealing with here. And as you can see, there's a lot of buildup of carbon. A little bit of oil, but not too bad. Let's see as far as cylinder condition. Yeah, you can see some scoring. Ooh, look at that right there. See if I can get a better angle. Yeah, that's definitely gonna need a bore job. Let's see. Take this gasket off. But other than that, see how the valves do. Valves are closing all right. I think I can get by with a bore job and I should be all right. That's pretty noisy. I'll look at the valve train in a minute. See what kind of movement we got. Oh yeah, I got some wear right there. Alright, let's check out the head. Oh yeah, definitely been doing some oil burning. But I have definitely seen worse. So nothing a little scrubbing and cleaning won't fix. But anyway, let's get this thing turned around and we'll yank this carb off and see what we're looking at from this point. So give me just one moment. Alright, got the carb off. I can't really see up in there, but you definitely see a little bit of carbon buildup. That's just, Oh, okay, I see how that is. Got screw studs going in from the back. And you got two of those that hold this plate on. But anyway, this carburetor, as I did not mention in my blog on my Amino page, that this is a aftermarket. When my uncle gave it to my dad and I a few years ago, the original carburetor on it was pretty rough. So instead of cleaning it, vatting it, and reusing it, we were just thinking, let's just buy one pretty cheap and get it running. So this is one of them knockoffs that you can buy pretty cheap on eBay, Amazon, and it's worked for us so far. I had to do a good clean on it once, but other than that, the carburetor's in decent condition. I may just rebuild the original and keep original parts on it. For now, at least. But anyway, let's see. A lot of buildup of oil. We're going to take this cover off and see what the valve train looks like. Surprisingly, it's not as bad as I thought. Looks pretty decent. Typical oil. Doesn't look too bad, but I kind of question the valve to lifter clearance, as this thing's always had a noisy valve train than normal, along with a possible rod knot that I'm suspecting, or now I'm thinking I've got a piston slap too. So yeah, I think I can see the slightest gap where it's out of adjustment. But this thing's definitely gonna need new internals for it to be running close to new again. When I drained the oil in it, it was black and very thin. So you can tell that oil has not had a good life, even when we changed it when we got the motor a few years ago. But anyway, let's look at this air filter. This was the filter we used when we got it. We just blew it off, but not too bad. Definitely can use a cleaning. But anyway, that's all I've got for now. I've got to get this broke loose. Then I can get access to the point system and remove all that. And then get that broke loose so I can get that side cover off and see what I'm looking at inside. But anyways, till next time, y'all have a good one.